is being recorded.
Yeah. So how are you? Hope you are fine. Don't go still outside, right? And if it is necessary, always have the mask. Fine. So yesterday I did with you the revision. Yesterday I did with you emergence of opposition party, in which I told you the importance of opposition parties and the work of opposition party. Basically, uh, the work of opposition party is to to criticize the ruling government so that the ruling government should work properly, right? As we have already noted, already we have done it, and again I will do it do it after at the end of the today's period about the emergence of opposition party again. Now today I will do with the Swatantrata party, about a Swatantra party, right? It could be a question for you. Write a comprehensive note on Swatantra party, and could be question of many when it was came into form, and who were the people who formed this party, what were the main aims of the party, what were the basic principles of the party, right? So there could be many questions. So I will detail everything with you. So we start now. I'm sorry. Swatantra Party was formed in August 1959. Your first answer comes over here. Swatantra Party was formed in August 1959 after the Nagpur resolution of the Congress, which called for the land ceiling. So, what do you mean the land ceilings? Land Nagpur session में शुरू हुआ था after the Nagpur resolution. Nagpur resolution session में Nagpur resolution हुआ था. Resolution means some order, what they are going to do, some resolution, some promises. Right. So, Nagpur resolution of the Congress, which called for the land ceiling. कांग्रेस ने क्या किया था? लैंड सीलिंग के लिए कहा था. व्हाट डू मीन बाय लैंड सीलिंग? किसी के पास बिल्कुल जमीन नहीं थी. Someone have no land at all. Some were having lot of land. So बहुत ज्यादा इन एक्सेस लैंड को सील कर दिया जाना. राइट. इनको उससे एक लिमिट के अंदर इंसान अपने पास लैंड रख सकता है. राइट. भूमि सुधार आंदोलन, you have heard about it, भूमि सुधार आंदोलन. So that was a land ceiling. Right. It has started in Nagpur. Take over food grain trade by the state and adoption of cooperative farming. Now they started cooperative farming. Cooperative means cooperation के साथ एक group के साथ farming, cooperative farming कहते हैं. When the group start farming, cooperative milk, cooperative sugar mill, cooperative milk development system and all. The party was led by old congressmen. पार्टी को किसने शुरू किया था? पुराने कांग्रेस लोगों ने. Like C. Rajagopalachari, K. M. Munshi, N. C. Ranga, and Minu Manasing. The party stood out for the others in terms of its position and economic issues. पार्टी के पास बेसिकली मुद्दे थे इकोनॉमिक इश्यूज के. बेसिकली उस वक्त दैट इज 1959 इंडिया वाज इंडिपेंडेंट, बट द इकोनॉमिकली इट वाज वेरी वीक. Indian economy was very weak. For that cooperation, economic and coordination, economic issues, there were a lot of economic issues. किस तरीके से भारत की इकोनॉमी को सुधारा जाए? Do you know that हम हमारी अब जो GDP growth है, if you are a student of economics and if you are a little bit interested in economy, it now GDP growth is going in minus, absolutely in minus. Now growth hasn't stopped due to the coronavirus and pandemic and all. So economic issues were, if the economic issues are not being solved, then no issue is there. Every issue has to be solved. पर्टिकुलर एक इकोनॉमिक इशू सॉल्व कर लिया जाए तो सारे इशू सॉल्व हो जाते हैं. ज्यादातर 90% इशू सॉल्व हो जाते हैं, बिकॉज इकोनॉमी इज द मेन एस्पेक्ट. नेक्स्ट पैराग्राफ. The Swatantra Party wanted the government to be less and less involved in controlling the economy. स्वतंत्रता पार्टी क्या चाहती थी कि गवर्नमेंट जो है कम से कम, सबसे कम इकोनॉमी को कंट्रोल करे. गवर्नमेंट कम से कम इकोनॉमी को कंट्रोल करे and less involved in controlling the economy. It believed that prosperity could come only through individual freedom. और वो क्या बिलीव करती थी कि जो प्रॉस्पेरिटी है आपको खुली छूट दी जाए कि आप कोई भी जॉब कर सकते हो, आप कोई भी बिजनेस कर सकते हो, आपके ऊपर देयर शुड बी नो fear, there should be no fear inside you that if I do this type of business, what will happen? Government will not support me. I will not get any loan. And how much taxes भी होते हैं ना हमें, we have to pay the taxes also to the government, right? तो अब मुझे हमें गवर्नमेंट को कितना टैक्स पे करना पड़ेगा? आपको पता है इंडिया में सबसे ज्यादा टैक्स चोरी होती है ज्यादातर डेवलपिंग कंट्रीज के अंदर, एशियन नेशंस के अंदर इंडिया में सबसे ज्यादा टैक्स की चोरी चोरी होती है. And there is no tax chori in Singapore. That is also in Asia. So why? Because we have got lot of taxes. People want to save the taxes, so they do it like this. So इंडिविजुअल फ्रीडम होना चाहिए. आपके आप कोई बिजनेस शुरू करते हो, आप फ्री माइंड होकर अपना काम करो, कोई डर ना हो आप में. It was a critical of the development strategy of the state intervention in the economy. Centralized planning, nationalization and the public sector. देखो इकोनॉमी के अंदर सेंट्रलाइज प्लानिंग, सेंटर जो जहां से प्लानिंग शुरू होती है, सेंट्रलाइज प्लानिंग एक ऐसा प्लान जो सब बिजनेस के ऊपर लागू हो, वी कॉल इट सेंट्रलाइज प्लानिंग. Planning हो, then this planning for basic principles of the to do some type of business, it should be applicable on all business. For example, आपको ऊपर जीएसटी टैक्स लगाया, जो भी आप बिजनेस करते हैं जीएसटी टैक्स लगाया जाता है, टैक्सेस लगाए जाते हैं, which is applicable for on every business basically. So centralized planning. Nationalization, what do you mean by nationalization? Basically आपने देखा होगा earlier there were lot of banks which were private banks, and they were doing lot of good business, and they were not doing giving the acquired money or taxes to the central government. So what the government did, it nationalized the chapter means वो banks को उन्हें nationalize कर दिया, सारे बैंक को नेशनलाइज कर दिए उन्होंने, ज्यादातर के बैंक्स को, राइट. तो नेशनलाइजेशन एंड द पब्लिक सेक्टर को भी नेशनलाइज कर दिया गया. पब्लिक सेक्टर जो है, जो जिसको ज्यादातर कंट्रोल जो था, इट वाज कंट्रोल्ड बाय द सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट. ऑल पब्लिक सेक्टर एंटरप्राइजेस आर कंट्रोल्ड बाय द सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट. ओके, सो दिस वाज इट. सो ये जो पब्लिक सेक्टर, इट इंस्टेड फेवर्ड expansion of a free private sector. तो स्वतंत्रता पार्टी ने क्या कहा था कि बेसिकली सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट को कोई भी ज्यादातर इकोनॉमी के अंदर इंटरफेयर नहीं करना चाहिए. स्वतंत्रता पार्टी वांट स्वतंत्र पार्टी, मतलब इट वाज आजाद पार्टी, that it wants that government should not interfere in any type of business activity of the individual. इंडिविजुअल शुड डेवलप. यदि इंडिविजुअल डेवलप करेगा तो सारे सेक्टर्स अपने आप ऑटोमेटिक, तो बिजनेस सेक्टर्स इकोनॉमिक डेवलप करेंगे. Unwanted intervention by the government should not be there. Unwanted intervention by the government should not be there, and there should be no fear psychosis in the mind, right? So the Swatanta Party was against land sealing इन एग्रीकल्चर. तो गवर्नमेंट चाहती थी कि लैंड को सील कर दिया जाए, एक्सेस लैंड अपने कब्जे में लिया जाए, लेकिन स्वतंत्र पार्टी चाहती थी कि कोई भी लैंड को सील ना किया जाए, जिसकी इंडिविजुअल लैंड है उसे अपने उसके पास रखा जाए. बट सम पीपल डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन ऑफ इक्वालिटी वुड नॉट बी देयर. यदि सारी बातें प्राइवेट सेक्टर की सुन ली जाए तो डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन तो रहेगी नहीं. प्राइवेट सेक्टर मीन्स कैपिटलिज्म. आप देखिए ना, ध्यान से इस बात को सुनिए. दो तरह की इकोनॉमी के अंदर दो तरह की इजम्स होती हैं, कैपिटलिज्म एंड सोशलिज्म और कम्युनिज्म. आप यदि आप ध्यान से देखें तो कैपिटलिज्म इज सपोर्टेड बाय अमेरिका, एंड सोशलिज्म और कम्युनिज्म इज सपोर्टेड बाय चाइना एंड यूएसएसआर. अब बेसिकली दिस स्वतंत्रता पार्टी वाज सपोर्टिंग कैपिटलिज्म. राइट। तो गवर्नमेंट जो थी वो ना ज्यादातर कंट्रोल अपने हाथों में रखना चाहती थी। व्हाई? बिकॉज वी वर independent just 7 or 8 years ago. 7 or 8 years ago, 1947, we were independent. This is the story of 1955. This is story of 1955. So this 55 or 59, 1959. So it was not too much. 12 years. It's not too much, right? And the Swatanta Party was against land ceiling of agriculture. Swatanta Party क्या चाहते थे कि totally इंटरफेयर ना किया जाए बाय द गवर्नमेंट, और कोई भी लैंड सीलिंग ना की जाए। अब लैंड सीलिंग नहीं करेंगे, किसी एक के पास तो 100 एकड़ की जमीन है और एक बंदा है जो ही इज आल्सो फार्मर, ही इज हैविंग जस्ट 1 acre ऑफ लैंड और 0.75 acre ऑफ लैंड। तो इट वाज अ लॉट ऑफ डिस्क्रिमिनेशन बिटवीन हैव एंड हैव नॉट। किसी के पास पैसा है तो ही इज डूइंग एवरी, ही इज एंजॉयिंग द लाइफ, एंड द सेम पर्सन ही इज आल्सो फार्मर, ही इज नॉट हैविंग एनी लैंड एंड ही इज टॉयलिंग हिज हार्ट टू गेट द 2 square of meal। 2 वक्त की खाने की रोटी भी उसको ठीक से नहीं मिल रही, और किसी के पास 100 एकड़ की जमीन है। तो गवर्नमेंट ने क्या कहा, जिसके पास बहुत ज्यादा जमीन है उसकी लैंड सील कर दो, उससे लैंड लेकर उसे दूसरे लोगों में बांट दो। आई थिंक यू हैव हर्ड द नेम ऑफ विनोबा भावे। भूदान आंदोलन, भूदान आंदोलन, विनोबा भावे, the right hand of Mr. Gandhi, Mahatma Gandhi, what you call, right? So he used to say that please give me your land, excess land, so that the landless farmer should also get the land. But Swatanta Party was against this. He said that individual की जो उसकी प्रॉपर्टी है उसके ऊपर गवर्नमेंट का दखल नहीं होना चाहिए, and oppose cooperative farming also। कोऑपरेटिव फार्मिंग के भी अगेंस्ट थे, स्टेट ट्रेडिंग के भी अगेंस्ट था। तो प्राइवेटाइज ही, स्वतंत्रता पार्टी वाज एब्सोल्युटली फॉर द प्राइवेट, स्वतंत्रता पार्टी वाज एब्सोल्युटली द प्राइवेट सेक्टर। इट वाज completely supporting capitalism, no communism, no socialism, only capitalism, Swatantatra Party. It was also opposed to the progressive tax regime. He said वो ऐसे ही शुरू कर दे, कोई जरूरत नहीं है। Just imagine if the license is required, if they, he said basically what you said, that if you know the driving, there should be no, you know the driving, you start driving. You know the business, you start business. You don't require any type of permission from the state. It cannot be possible. It cannot be possible. It was critical of the policy of non-alignment and maintaining friendly relations with the Soviet Union. Underline कीजिए sentence को. It was critical with the policy of non-alignment. Non-alignment, I think much better, right? That no, what is non-alignment? Good निरपेक्ष राज्य, right? So it was against the non-alignment country. It says that India should not go for non-aligned countries. Non-alignment की कोई जरूरत नहीं है. It wants that India should support the capitalism, or India should support America. Frankly saying, right? तो ये घुमा के बात कर रही है। तो क्योंकि बेसिकली उस वक्त सोवियत रशिया, यूएसएसआर भी, it was a very strong position, right? So it did not want to annul that also. So non-alignment and maintaining friendly relation with Soviet Union. Then it says that ना इंडिया को सोवियत यूनियन के साथ कोई रिलेशनशिप ही नहीं रखना चाहिए, कोई रिलेशनशिप सोवियत रशिया के साथ बिल्कुल नहीं होना चाहिए, only with America. And advocated close, then it's written here, it was critical of the policy of non-alignment and maintaining the friendly relation with the Soviet Union, and advocated closer ties with the United States of America. मैंने अभी आपको कहा it was supporting capitalism openly. अब देखिए मैं आपको बात बताऊं, अमेरिका में आर्म्स एम्यूनिशन, आर्म्स पिस्टल, बंदूकें वगैरह हम जो मिलती हैं, लोगों के पास इतने हैं कि वहाँ की पॉपुलेशन से ज्यादा वहाँ पे आर्म्स एम्यूनिशन है, बिकॉज वहाँ पे लाइसेंस की जरूरत ही नहीं है. Now they are thinking to regularize the Arms and Ammunition Act, and one person should have just some type of limitations of arms and ammunition. You go and buy any pistol, you go buy your rifle, but in India you cannot do like this, because here you need license, police no verification, many things you require to have the under the Arms Act. आपको वो रखने पड़ेंगे, लाइसेंस रखना पड़ेगा. But in America it's not. So it was supporting America. This the party, if you want to do business, you should not ask anything from the government. अपना 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 business start कर दो. Government should not interfere in any matter. Government should not interfere in the land selling. Government should not regularize the rule and regulation on the banks. Government should not interfere any type of individual property and all. Nothing. Government should not do anything. Then what the government should do? Then it says that you should not pay the taxes also. टैक्स को कम कर दिया जाए. देन इफ द टैक्स को कम कर दिया तो गवर्नमेंट जो कंट्री है वो डेवलप कैसे करेगी? ओके, सो द स्वतंत्रता पार्टी in was close in support of closer in ties with United States. It says it should not have the India should not have the relationship with the Soviet Union. The Swatanta Party in different parts of the country. It doesn't mean that it was not having any strength and it was not supported by the people. It's written over here. The Swatanta Party gained strength in different parts of the country by way of merger with numerous regional parties and interests. स्वतंत्रता पार्टी ने क्या किया? बहुत सारे रीजनल पार्टी के साथ ये मर्ज हो गई, राइट? और then it tabled its demands. It attracted the landlords, because landlords को कहा गया था कि तुम माने its demand was not to seal the land. So landlord people, they were in support of Swatantra Party. Princes princes उस वक्त Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel and all, he was doing the best to merge the independent states of India, like Junagadh, like Hyderabad and all. So they don't want to be with India. They support them also. They also supported Swatantra Party, who wanted to protect their land. I told you, if anybody wants to protect the land, he will support the Swatantra Party. So princes and the big landlords and jamidars and Raja Vagera, Maharaja Vagera, they supported Swatantra Party, and status that was being threatened by the land reforms legislation. The industrialists and business class who were against nationalization, I told you that nationalization should not be there. It's what the party told. So the business class people, industrialist people, they also supported, this Swatantra Party. Means the capitalist people, जिनके पास पैसा था, they supported what? Swatantra Party. Then the industrialists and business class who were against the nationalization and licensing policies also supported the party. I told you just now. Its narrow social base on the lack of dedicated cadre. But the theme was attractive. It was attractive to the business class people, industrialist people, and banking people, banking sector, then princes, then Rajwari, they supported, right? And it supported local demand also. But the thing is that the grassroots people, grassroots workers of Socialist Party, they were weak. They were not having any coordination between each other. जिनके जो ग्रासरूट वर्कर्स थे ना स्वतंत्रता पार्टी के, वो ज्यादा कामगर नहीं थे, काम करने वाले नहीं थे। रिटन इस नैरो सोशल बेस इनका सोचने का ढंग बड़ा बहुत कमजोर था। एंड द लैक ऑफ डेडिकेटेड कैडर मीन्स जो लोग ग्रास रूट लेवल के ऊपर काम करते थे, राइट। भारतीय जनता पार्टी के अपने लोग हैं, कार्यकर्ता हैं। वी कॉल इट कार्डर मीन्स कार्यकर्ता। सो देयर कार्यकर्ता वर वेरी वीक, दे डोंट हैव एनी गुड कार्यकर्ता or party members. Then the party members were also, they were not very much dedicated. वो अपने पार्टी के प्रति डेडिकेटेड नहीं थे, and that was the reason it did not allow to build a strong organization network. So इस कारण जो था strong organization जो network था वो नहीं हुआ. So it was here, and I completed this part, and rest of the part you will complete yourself. Just one page, that is party competition Bihar village. It's only this part is remaining. Party competition in Bihar village. It's only this part is remaining, and last paragraph. The key role of Congress in the freedom struggle thus gave it a head start over the others, as the ability of the Congress to accommodate all interests and all right. Assembly and later, the first Lok Sabha was opposed to India's policy of autonomy to Jammu and Kashmir, as said during Janasangh agitation against Kashmir policy died during detention. श्यामा प्रसाद मुखर्जी बेसिकली भारतीय जनता पार्टी के थे, राइट। इनकी मृत्यु हो गई थी पुलिस कस्टडी के अंदर। एंड ये जो भारतीय जनता पार्टी है ना, दिस इज स्टार्टेड बाय Shama Prasad Mukherjee, and he was a very dedicated worker of BJP, right? And he don't want that Jammu Kashmir should be separated from India, and it should have its own rule and regulation. So my chapter is over today, right? Tomorrow I will start another book because two chapters are completed. I will start another book. That is another book was basically where we have the NAM and all. Contemporary word politics. I will start by tomorrow. Till then, take care and have a nice time. Thank you.